Is your Jaguar XE key fob not working? Let's troubleshoot the most common issues. The most common culprit is a dead battery. The XE key fob uses a CR2032 battery. To replace the battery, open the fob carefully with a small flat tool, replace the battery, ensuring correct polarity, and test. If that doesn't work, it could be a software glitch. Try a smart key reset. Cycle the ignition and press the fob buttons near the car. Still no luck? Antenna issues might be the cause. These antennas can degrade, especially in humid climates. While diagnosing antenna issues requires professional equipment, start with battery and smart key reset. That will resolve most issues. If basic fixes fail, antenna replacement might be needed. This usually requires professional diagnostics and repair. Dealerships can diagnose antenna problems or ECU-related pairing issues, and this can cost $100 to $300. Jaguar is shifting towards digital keys via smartphone apps. Check if your XE is compatible with Jaguar's In Control app or aftermarket digital key kits as a backup. Keep an eye on future trends. Jaguar is working on longer-lasting batteries and AI-driven diagnostics for key fobs. Regular maintenance, like annual battery checks, can prevent many issues and save you money in the long run.